Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World with MJ. This is Murari. So this is the part 6 of our Git learning session. So previously I have created the 5 parts. So if you haven't seen that particular videos, so please go and check out that video for better understanding. And if you are new in our channel, then request you to please subscribe our channel to keep us motivated to create this type of informative video in the future as well. So in this session, I will show you how you can create a repository and how you can push whatever local code you have with the help of Visual Studio Code Terminal. Okay, for that you need to either learn or this is the basic steps that you need to follow. So first you have the 8 commands that is required to create the Git repository and push whatever code you have in the local system. Okay, so let's come on our screen. I will show you everything from the scratch. So first of all, I will go and open the Visual Studio Code. So the Visual Studio Code is opening. So for better understanding, I will create a project in .NET and will show you how you can push that code into the Git repo. Okay, so first of all, I will go and create a folder. So here I will go in any of our location. I will create a demo project. So here I will go and create a demo project. Okay, so demo project is created. Now I will select it, click on select. So here that project is to be, project folder is to be selected. So here I will go and create a simple .NET web application just for your understanding. I will not do coding related things. Just I will show you how you can push everything from the terminal. So here I will write a command call .NET. Just I am creating a empty web template web. So I have taken .NET New Web. So it is just a web template. So now our .NET web template is created, web project is created. So here you will go in this location and you will search the demo project. So here you can see this project is created right now, but currently one file .git file is not available. So because I haven't started the Git process, that's why. So I will show you the next step to push this particular project. Create the repository over GitHub and push this particular project into that particular repository. Okay, so the first commands, so this is the sequence that you need to follow. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So this is the sequence that you need to follow for better understanding. So first command is git init. So I will copy from here. I will paste this particular command in the description, so you can go and check out that particular command if you require. So here I will go and paste that first command, git init. So git init basically used to initialize the Git with your projects. Okay, so the more details I have created in the previous video, so please check out that video. So I will click enter here. So empty Git is initiated. Here you can go again in the location and you can see now I have .git folders that previously was not. Okay, so Git is initiated. So once your Git is initiated, you will see in the source control here you will have an indication that this file is not added yet into the Git. Okay, so the next command, the first command you have executed successfully. The next command will be git add. So okay, no, second command is git status. So git status is just for showing the how many file which is not added yet. Okay, so I will just paste it and will enter. So here you can see this is the red red indication means this file is not added yet into the Git repo. Okay, so I will show you everything. So the next command will be in our sequence, according to our sequence, git add. So git add basically add whatever file which is available in your local repository. So git add space dot. I will press enter. So now our all file is added. So how you can check it, the all file is added or not. So in this case you will go and again execute the git status command. So I have already have the git status command. So here you can see in this time the all files are green. That means the all file is added into our git file, which is locally right now. So the next command is, so I have used first, second, third and fourth commands. So I will use this commit. Okay, so this is our first commit. So I will just go and use this particular commands to commit our code locally. Okay, so I mean whatever code we have is committed in our local system. So the next step will be to git branch main. Okay, so why you will execute this? The reason behind is when you will go, I mean before that you just need to create a repository on the GitHub. So here I will go and create a GitHub repository. So here I will because I already have logged in, that's why it is directly linked to into the in our GitHub project page. So here I will go and add one of the demo repository where I will push whatever code we have right now. So I will create as demo repo. Okay, so I will create the demo repo. Okay, so I will do nothing, just I will the project visibility will be by default it is public, but because this is a demo project, that's why I have changed it as private. So here you will click on create repository. So from here as well you can copy and paste whatever commands you require. So the same commands I have added in our slides, so don't be confused about. So then as per our sequence, the next commands is git main. So why this command is required? The reason behind is by default when you will initiate the initiate your project with git init. So here you can see by default the project is master. So you will just need to check out the master into main branch. So that's why it is we need to use the git branch and main. Okay, I will click on enter on main. So here you can see here the main currently I am on main branch. So the next command will be, as per our sequence, the next command will be, we need to initiate our local repository to the GitHub repository. For that you will need to use this particular command. So this is just our previous project. So I will just copy from git here to origin and rest, or you can go here in your git page and also you can copy this particular commands from here. So this will just initiate whatever local code that you need to be pushed on GitHub repository. So the next command is this git remote add origin. Here you will go and enter. So now you are initiated whatever local code you have to the git repository. Now the last command is, as per our sequence, the last command is git push. So here you will just copy this and will go and paste here and enter. So this command will push whatever changes you have done in the local. Okay, so here you can see this code is pushed. Now when you will go here in the git website, here you will go and enter. So you will be see that you have done some changes and pushed whatever code you have in your local repository. So that it's for the first comment. In future, if you will go and do any changes, so for example, if I will go and do any changes, like I have just removed this particular space, Control S. So here you can see there we have a one changes that we need to commit and push. Okay, so for that I will go and commit again. Okay, so commit again. Okay, so this is our new changes. So here I will write new changes. Okay. So I mean, this file I need to add again, so I will just go and use that add commands. So now whatever changes was which is added for commit, now I will go again and click on commit changes. So the changes is committed right now. I will go and push again. Okay, so git push u origin main. So I will go and push again. So whatever code I have changed it recently is pushed. So our commit message was new changes. So when you will go and check on the git repo, so here previous message was first comment. Now because you have done some more changes, so this comment should be new changes. Okay, so here I will go and enter. Here you can see the new changes. So this is the process by which you can, I mean, create the repository and push whatever local code you have into the Git repository. So that's all for this sessions. If you feel this video looks helpful to you, then please subscribe our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for future updates. And please like and share with your dev community. So I mean, this can help anyone else for their problems. Thank you. Thanks for watching.